Hi, in this video we'll talk about the SMTP and notifications section of admin settings. If you go to admin settings, SMTP and notifications, this is where you will put your mail server information. If you're a cloud user, you do not have to change this as you'll already have our mail server configured. But for our on-prem users and for cloud users that want to use their own mail server, this is where you could start to configure it here. So once you configure it in this section on the General tab for outbound SMTP server, there are some other sections here where you can set up notifications. Login failure. If there is a login failure, you can set it to provide a notification to your email, either instant or in a daily digest format. You can do the same for successful logins. You can also do this for expiring items. So for example, maybe a device is expiring on its warranty and you want to get a notification. You can do as many email addresses as you need, just separate them by a comma, and you can adjust the length of time before you actually get a notification. This tab for change control, this will notify you for things like if a user adds a new object to the portal, like a new device. Also notify you if an object is modified. DNS and certificates, these are for agreement types of domain names and SSL certificates. If these are updated overnight, like say for example, you renew a DNS agreement and it now has a new expiration date, the next day it should notify you that this change has been made if you have a notification set here by entering your email address and clicking update settings. Certificates is the same as DNS in the way it functions. Alerting company status. This means that if you will get a notification if one of the alerting company statuses is enabled on a company. So what that means in simple terms is if we go to a company, we see that the status is active. But if we are to modify it from active status to inactive, then it will send a notification. The last set part of SMTP and notification section is the logs. And this will allow you to see, in this case, this is a demo and it does not have any logs, but in your case, if you have notifications being sent out, you'll be able to see a log of each message that's being sent out by the portal. Thank you.